All right. So Azan, you said I've recently joined this course a day before. I'm having a hard time navigating through the course. All right. Yes, I can help you with that. I will share my screen really quick and show you how the course basically works. And thanks for the tip. Like, if anyone else feels like this too, let me know. And then I can maybe make like an introduction video of how to navigate this course and how to basically use the course to your best interest, right? If it's overwhelming at first. So if you enter the course, this is the main community tab. In here, in the top, you have your navigation. So these are all different navigation tabs. The community is where we make the posts, where you can ask questions, where you can write posts, where I write posts and invite people to the group. Share my messages to the group. And also, like, for example, share the link to these coaching calls to the group. So here you can connect with people. You can ask your questions. You see, like, a lot of people are posting in here, so you can connect with them, see what people are asking, and see what people answered and what I answered to these questions and everything. Now, in the classroom section, this is where all the courses are. So what I would recommend anyone do when you get in here, first do this. Step 1, watch me, unlock everything. So here you will learn how the course works, what I'm actually explaining now, and how you can use this course and where you can find all the courses. This is like the tools and resources you're going to use for your YouTube automation, like the tools like vidIQ. The main thing you need to do when you start out is watch this course, the premium program. This takes you through the whole strategy and systems that I set up and that I still use to this day, and that most people use to find niches, set up their channel, hire their team, and everything. What helps if you're on a lower budget is the AI revolution, where you learn how to use AI tools to make your videos. That's really nice if you don't want to hire a team that makes your videos. And it's just nice to read up on AI, because you will have to learn how to use AI in the future, because it's just very trending and upcoming. Now, after watching the premium program, the second best thing to do, what I also just told Darren, is go to this tab here, the group call replays. So watch all the group coaching call replays. And like I said, this is like coaching call number 12. See? So there's already 11 group coaching calls that are between 60 and 90 minutes long. And all the questions you can possibly think of got answered in these calls, because it's just everyone facing specific problems and me guiding them through those problems and helping them out with their channels. We also got niche research classes and a bunch of other things that we covered in these classes. Then one more thing that you have to know too, there is this leaderboard section. So if you engage in the community tab, if you make posts, if you ask questions, if you engage with other posts, like posts and comment on them, you earn points and you can level up in this community too. So the higher level you get, the more special things you unlock, basically. So at level 4, you got the Faceless freelancer program, which I'm launching coming week, by the way. At level 3, you got the finance tracker, see, and at level 2, you get all the courses. So, and then there's also leaderboards here where you can like engage with other members who are engaging in the group. So that is the main things, how to navigate this program.